Exploring the phrase, bay cruise. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, bay cruise. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it appropriately in conversations. Let's set sail. 1. Bay. A bay is a body of water partly enclosed by land. Think of it like a smaller, more sheltered part of the sea or a lake. Bays can be large or small, and they're usually calmer than the open sea. 2. Cruise. A cruise refers to a trip or journey by water, typically for pleasure, where the journey itself and the onboard experience, rather than the specific destination, is the primary focus. Combining these two words, bay cruise, implies a leisurely trip on water within a bay area. A bay cruise is often a tourist attraction in places where there are scenic bays. For example, when in San Francisco, taking a bay cruise to see the Golden Gate Bridge is a must. Our bay cruise offers stunning sunset views. Such cruises can vary in length from short jaunts of an hour or two, to longer half-day or even full-day excursions. They might include amenities like food, music, or guided commentary about the area. If you ever decide to take a bay cruise, here's what you might experience. 1. Scenic views. Bays are often surrounded by beautiful landscapes, cities, or landmarks. A bay cruise offers unique perspectives of these sights from the water. 2. Wildlife. Depending on the location, you might spot marine life like dolphins, seals, or birds. 3. Calm waters. Since bays are sheltered, the waters are typically calmer than the open sea, making it a smooth ride most of the time. 4. Guided narration. Many bay cruises have guides who share interesting facts and stories about the area you're cruising in. And there we have it. Now you're familiar with what a bay cruise is. Whether you're discussing travel plans or simply enriching your vocabulary, we hope this explainer has been of great help. Until next time, happy learning and smooth sailing.